Welcome embarking. What are we going for? 87 things we can do, right? Maybe 88. It's a snake. It's a rock.
A wild onyx has appeared.
It's not even live. Are we having issues with DisplayMon? Is that trying to run off of ID or some shit? New arch spawn live effects. 30 seconds. No. On. Display. Oh, yeah, that's running on its own shit. We need to send shit to it. It's almost acting like it has no data right now. What's that about? Oh, am I about to head in that direction too? Fuck. To-do list. I put a post in Crowbar's Discord asking about checking live status of people. Use the API to call in HTTP requests. Oh, my fucking king! We love you, CKY. Ah! Alright, let's try it. Let's try it. Hold on. CKY is cooking. Is he doing this in a script? Use the API call in HTTP request. See, I can... Yeah, I feel like I should be able to just read API. Shit, please. People read API URL. We just feed the started at. HTTP response. Little horror play. I'm after it. I need to look into this. So what happens if I throw my link into this, right? Fuck, we'll call it test. I do not care. I need to pull that link up. What am I doing? There you go. What we got? Did not like that. If I follow that link, it's mad because it wants the O off. See, that's where I was hoping you'd help me, Firebot. Oh, let's see. Oh, wait, hold on. HTTP request is its own thing. Aha! Ha 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 ha! Hello! Hello, what the fuck is this? Okay, hold on. Give me my link back. Method. Will return. Type will return live or the whole reply will be empty. Only used when calling the Twitch API. That's me. What the fuck? Okay, and then it has outputs. Okay. Do I need a timeout? I am scared of this. Run effects on air. No list of effects for the request. No shit. Wow, this is deep. Do I need headers? What the fuck is happening? Like, this feels like this would be a get. How do headers work? Here, let's just see what this is. How about throw that there, right? We should make a HTTP response. Give me that. So how are we gonna figure this out? What does it look like for an offline user? I think he said that it'll be empty, which is fine. Gotta feel these things out though. Tag's not live right now. Don't be case sensitive. Nothing. Alright, and then let's throw jacked up would be case sensitive, I think. Alright, I need someone whose name is case sensitive. Or I could just try and fuck up someone else's name, actually. Yeah. Because Marty's all lowercase. M-A-R-T-Y, rule. Okay, cool. So it doesn't give a shit about caps. That's awesome. I can pull up their live thumbnail. That's cute. So it'll just be okay. So maybe we can check if ID is not set. Let's try and make a variable into this, right? Or like an argument into this. The $and and? Magic. It's hash, damn it. I'm gonna learn these things. Let's rename it so we don't have it on the same output as something else. Is live. And let's just log if user is live for now. Calling to their ID seems to be the easiest thing. Or we can just check the array length of data. Yeah, let's check the array length of data. What is it as an effect output? Also hash? Wow. Or no, that's and. See, mixing them all up. This is small enough. Can I run this in? Is there an HTTP effect? Damn, lame. Or I just can't do it in log. I feel like I've seen HTTP somewhere in there. We just check data. Oh, this is fucking beautiful.
Brace.
Brace, some spawns coming. Rufflet.
A wild rufflet has
Blue.
appeared.
I only really use this elsewhere actually too. I don't need to use it here. Let's just try and update the updater raw. Time-based. We do it scheduled. Oh, okay. Yeah, I kind of want to run it on startup too, actually. So we're fine to run it on startup. You'd think I'd be able to just loop item bracket user, but we'll trust in the process. We can condition through this. We have access to it in Magic yet? No. True. And then not. Or actually, it'd just be 0 and 1, right? There's another piece to this, right? Oh, no, we don't need to do it here because we're not actually replacing out full objects. We're fine. But there's something else we're gonna do that's cheeky with looping existing arrays that we're editing. That'll be later. That's elsewhere. Alright, if is live is 1, we're gonna write true to him. How we getting there? Pull this bad boy up. Get a little complicated with it. Path and then data, right? Our path is gonna be we gotta find index, or we could loop count, I guess. Would loop count work? Or I'm hoping in the process of grabbing the data from the JSON file and pulling it into the loop, it doesn't jumble the list. Because if it doesn't, I can loop count. Array and blah 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 dot is live. We need to array find index. I hate that. We should be able to loop count. I don't see why we wouldn't be able to. Do I have access to it here? Apparently I do. Is it this simple? It could be this simple. It could all be so simple. It could all fucking be so simple. Dodge this. See, I know the lyrics. I want to see some kind of responses from this.
Grace.
Raise some spawns, Kevin. Solosis. It is Solosis.
A wild Solosis has appeared.
The 30 seconds left message, it's pooping itself. Alright, that came back saying everybody is offline. Oh, oop. Hold on. You can't check the array length of his live. Come on, someone's online. getting loop item user, right? I got the server rented, so it was up and running, but the mod pack I couldn't reconnect it for some reason. Giving me an error code, so when up. For sure. What doesn't it like about this? This might be where I need to and instead of hash. Hold on. It is and I bet I hashed. Yup. I need a clear console next time so I can actually see it do it. Is Dr. Krabby online? Let's see. Has it told us a true thing or a lying? Krabby is live, doing Exotic Pet Showdown. The fuck is that? Who else? Check that duelist. That duelist is live. You can be Homelander in Fortnite now? This is fucked. It's that noob guy. They're live. That's for sure. Supercell? I'm watching an ad, which means they are live. That fuck yeah. CKY is a king. Actual king. Real programmer. And then if I find one of these guys in here, should say, okay, PML says true. Krabby should say true. Alright, cool. We ball. Fuck it, we ball. I don't know if we really need to do that on call, actually, if we do this every 5 minutes. And we could use loop count because we're cheeky. Ah, so good. Kill the log message. I kind of do want to be able to call this if someone wants to run the command ever. But I just don't know how hard I can spam the Twitch API. And I guess that takes a minute to wait for if you want to wait for it on every command run. So yeah, we can back this out even.
Brace.
Brace, some spawns coming. Am I blind?
A wild zigzagoon has appeared.
It is zigzagoon. How long is 3600? That's every hour. 5 minutes by 60, that's just 300 seconds. Oh yeah. Keeping this shit nice and updated. No custom variables. No bullshit. Just an HTTP request and a fucking dream. Oh, I love that. Okay, I feel like that means I can just access the Twitch API now. We might have some tools there. We'll keep that in mind. There's there's a specific way to get to the cry link that we need to get. Should happen on. Why does it feel like the other one wasn't like that? How's that running as local file? That's funny. I'm surprised it can do that. Do URL, because that makes more sense. or the way things ought to be. Can you dig it? Any beverage? I will die. Bring me soda. Account of the hot dogs I put in there. I haven't opened a bottle in a while. This is rough. See, I have to grit my teeth. Things do not open until my teeth make contact with each other. I don't like that. I basically want to completely redo. Well, not completely. Damn near completely redo. Wonder Trade and Poke Daily. I don't like that it's create. Let's get into it. Let's fucking get into it. I can show this. I can give you guys a visual of this bullshit. Give me a timer. Reminder checker. Enable.
Sifton. PCG Frostmoth says your Wonder Trade is ready. Archcloudy. Mighty Ennis says your Poke Daily is ready.
Is this going to be constant since we're all on the list? Yep.
PCG Frostmoth says your Poke
Okay.
Daily is ready.
It's going to keep going. Oh, no. Okay. It did clear. Okay, so it's still completely on the old shit. What you're going to see, though, is that it will keep pulling up the list to keep reading the file. It'll keep pulling it up as a variable. And that is the way to do that, technically. Or a way, but there's a better way. And I fucking hate custom variables. Me and custom variables, we're done getting along. Me and all my homies hate custom variables. Uh, I don't like that. That seems fucking silly and stupid to me. Okay. It at least stops itself when it knows that the list is empty. But every 5 fucking seconds, it's gonna try and pull this fucking list up. Like a fucking goofball. No, we're gonna loop. We can check if they're even populated. I think that's fine. Is there a point to that? Only if they're them not being populated is an issue. Okay. So we'll drag that loop out. We're gonna loop. What are we looping? PCG portrait reminders dot JSON. Oh, you were 48 minutes into the video. Of course I'm gonna keep watching. Fuck you. I got a handful of stream fixes I need to do. But we're kind of fist deep into these changes in the bot, so we gotta uphold our backwards priorities. Important. Need to find a folder, file, Wonder Trade reminders. What we're working on first. Condition. If current time, first of all, fuck this. We can Unix timestamp this. Is greater than or equal to our loop item's end time. That's fine. We use a command to clear. That feels okay. I mean,
Grace.
Feels weird too, though. We don't need to do that. And then it runs out to a reminder sending the item out. We go and check their Pokeflex.
A wild gullet has appeared.
Can I not default this? I'm not doing stupid cat. I am doing stupid cat. Not on PCG settings. Let's go. Inconsistency. We love it. That setting should just be called Reminder Mon or default Reminder Mon. Do I need to quote it? That feels weird. I don't think I'll get rid. Would I get redundant quotes? No, I'm setting it like pretty literally here, right? Where are we? Why are we setting a variable? I don't like that. I don't know why we're effect listing this either. Oh, okay. TTS is effect listing this out because that's just where our TTS is, which is fine. But then it goes and checks a variable. We shouldn't be checking a variable for that. We can get to their username. And we can just... We should be able to just pull their metadata up from there, right? We already set it. We already set it, or it's already set. This would be user metadata. If we're getting to display name, we'll just use one of our macros for PCG Pokemon data. Oh, that's by ID though. We'll just do by name. I'll have to go pull up the proper link stuff here too. That's how we get to their... Oh, damn it, that's not the only thing we want here. Not just Pokemon data. Doodle-doo. We need to go get the sound link. Ugh. Okay. Or do I... Fuck, do I have it pulled up? I might have it pulled up. I just might. Fucker. The one link. Oboe. That's paths like that. I should be able to walk it directly. I don't know why I do a walk path. We defaulted their Poke flags. Yeah, go find the sound. Hold on. Jesus Christ, we're in it. Paste it by your other link. I had the fucking link. No! No! I didn't even have to go that deep. Where's the fucking... we'll go in from time-based anyway. Makes more sense. Reminder checker, Wonder Trade. Wonder what this does if I give it no path. Tells me not to do that. I think that's a bonus now.
Brace.
Brace, some spawns coming. I want to use our current sprite setup. I can paste that, so.
A wild cacnea has appeared.
You front dash shiny. Cacnea, get a cacnea. Could be front dash shiny. Last shiny? Am I stupid? No. What? Do we like Pokemon names? What the fuck's the deal? That map's the... Okay, hold on. Can I get to the normal? Oh, I'm not dash gifting, or dot gifting. Whoops. There it is. Okay, cool. Ah. Ba 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 ba. Need my display name back. No, actually, we'll use this and we'll flip it to ID. Uh. Success message and message output. Oh. Wait, why does that have to flip all the way back to user? Wait, what? Confused? Oh, it gives it a default. Okay. No, I like that. That's cool. I hope I kept that on the other one. It makes it so I don't have to conditionally check for them to have ID. Yeah, I feel like we could reverse run it. I kind of like that it's doing the command thing right now, but it's a little scary. They don't already have one set. Or no, if they don't have a flex set, set their flex for them. Yep, okay. Why are we setting reminder mod data for them? Can we not figure that out? Same with variable. Why? Here we need Unix. Yeah, this feels silly. Like, it's organized and readable, but like, let's see. Reminder mon user displaying it, like, this doesn't need to be like this.
brace.
I don't like all the custom variables being thrown around in that. I want to at least get it converted to the new system. It's Viper.
A wild Viper has appeared.
Do we ever even use reminder mon in a variable? I don't. Feels very much like we just dodged that completely. It's in the air check. Okay. Does it not ever? Hold on. What the fuck? Oh, this is if it exists, right? Why didn't I hear any of the end sounds? You know, Obama's now does need to be a raw variable. That's because it's formatted shit. What's wrong with this object? Nothing should be wrong with it. I don't know why it's trying to tell me error. Oh. It added it as a fucking string. Here's your Wonder Trade reminder. Yeah, you did. There we go. We love overkill. It didn't reset my shit, so how did it get to female Obamas? Is it xclam pokeflex on the data? I'm gonna cry. Let's just make sure we can reference the data correctly. That got to my Deanna. Okay. It's because we didn't walk it. Whoops. I think we null to get to the path. Yup. Might need to run around and plug that in spots. Why is that reminder mon? That should be Pokefun.
Grace. A wild arachnid has appeared.
Get arachnid. It doesn't know when user here though. God damn it. I'll plug it in. Yeah, no in sounds again. What? Why does that look confusing? Just a display name of you. It should be Pokeflex, not Reminder Mod. Why does that say that? Alright, round 2. Tiny mighty animal, remind me. Yeah. Oh, I didn't change how that array looks, then, did I? Poo poo. Okay. We run air check. Doesn't want to see this as a valid add object. I think the second it sees the next quotation mark, it gets pissed off. What if we say fuck the quotation marks? Like a fucking psychopath. That sounds like fun. Why not? Why not? Almost. It notices that comma though. So I really... fuck. I have to make the object. Oh, it's pee pee poo poo. I don't want custom variables. I will fight a custom variable to the death. Gotta play Invervale on my main. God damn. They got you good. Welcome, Auburn. Alright, now hold on. I put it in there. Oh, I didn't scroll down far enough. Nice. What? Why can't I be cat bug? Hello? Always something. Contains cat bug, doesn't contain X.
Brace.
Maybe at least try Emperorville. I don't know the slightest thing about it. I saw that it looks like kind of adventure quest Dragon Fable type shit. Just busy smoking snake oils. You see how deeply I get into shit when I actually get into shit? I don't like to play the game of passing fads and jumping on every new game that comes out. Or every new thing in general. It's like, even if it is something I would really like and want to do, I don't like the idea of fucking 10%ing everything in my life. So usually with games especially, I just give them time to I give them a month or two for people to get pissed off at them or whatever the fuck. Wait for people to start complaining. See how bad the fall off is. I told Tack, I'll tell you too. If there's something you can think of that might be able to be done off of the chat messages that you might want help with Firebot, just let me know. I'm pretty versed in traversing the chat message at this point. Other than that, I'm not really interested. I can't clear cooldown? What if we kill cooldown? We're just not feeling super chatty, huh? It's not new for me, but I was in the alpha, but I understand that. I don't know. See, like, even then, it's not even that. Alpha is definitionally new. New for it itself, even compared to, like, your own experience with it and your own getting tired of it. There's also a level of if the game's programming is good, or if the game itself is structured good while they're still testing things out, and as they figure out what direction they're going to head in. Enjoy it, but I do think it goes well with PCG, but I think what really determines the success in life of this game outside of PCG. How far outside PCG it branches out. Well, I would hope that they're steering away from tying it to PCG. I guess happenstance would make it so that PCG people would just automatically know about it. I don't really care about that. I'm not looking for a... I don't know how to put that. I don't care about how successful a game is. I'm looking just to read what people have to say about it beforehand. Why test the game myself if I can see how people feel about it in general first? And see how the game is actually fleshing out to be. It'll never connect the two, they want it separated. If you see it's a starting step. I mean, I kind of feel like it's a bad starting step if it's already a stated goal that they don't want to tie them together. It's tricky having a lot of chat games going on because the more chat games you add to a stream, the less appealing it is to a viewer that doesn't like that kind of thing, right? So they might be locking themselves in a little bit there. The fuck is wrong with you, Catbug? Did I just lose my file? Accidentally? Ah, that's probably it. Looks like I accidentally deleted it. No, it's in the wrong folder. Hold on. Yeah, it's there. Okay. Oh. No cooldown. Cool. That needed to be a raw custom variable. Fuck. Dash. Wonder trade. Cool. Looks good. If I try and clear it. Cool. Looks good. If I wonder trade and then I check wonder trade again. Cool. Problem. That is an upper decker problem. It's an upper decky. It's because I don't know how to reference files properly. Doing it like a fucking goober. Why is that screen green? Are you guys seeing that? No, you guys still see the screen. What the fuck? This monitor just went full green for me. There's a power button, right? Seeing things because of snake oil. Yeah, the snake oil lets me see your mom better. That's fine. Or is that not fine? Do you want to say that to your mom's face? I talked to my mom in 3 years. Gang, gang. Team I hate my mom is lit. So I recommend upgrading to the I hate my entire family package. Use your Pokeflex display name. That should be fine. I don't know why that was an issue. Oh, I know why that was an issue. Because null Pokemon. You silly goose. Felt like we didn't pull up the time. I'm the youngest of 8. Holy fucking Catholics. And the only 2 family members I talk to is my sister and 1 brother. It's not that I hate my mom or family, it's I hate drugs. I think we've had this conversation before. Saying that you hate the entirety of drug addicts is something. I feel like there's something more particular that you mean by that. I don't think you're actually saying you hate the entirety of every single drug addicted person ever. I would imagine it's something more so like you hate the shit that people do when they are addicted to drugs. Or hate people for, like, thinking that's an okay lifestyle even. Like, a lot of the negative things that come out of that are like child neglect, fucking... They tear themselves apart if you value that at all. They can steal. Really scummy behavior. I've experienced it. I'm with you. I hate that shit. There's plenty of that floating around in my family too, but... The whole I hate drug addicts. Oh, that's something. I found I hate the term addiction in general. Because it feels like it gets used too loosely. But then when you go to show people how loose the term actually is, their brain kind of just breaks. They're like, no, not my addiction. My addiction that I'm talking about is bad addiction. Not the coffee I drink every day. Well, you know what I mean, the ones that ruin their life shit and addicted. Yeah, yeah. I feel like someone might be, like, someone... There are healthy or functioning drug addicts, even, that don't do, like, those negative things. And also, not only that, there are people that, as much as I hate to defend these people, there are, oh, wishy-washy. Lame Pokemon. What is it, AA people? Or DA people?
A wild wishy-washy solo form has appeared.
Why isn't it loading emotes? What the fuck? Oh, but there it goes. AA and DA people in, like, recovery stuff, even if they've been sober for like 10-15 years, they forever consider themselves an addict. So I think if those people read something like that you hate drug addicts, they could take it the wrong way. If you can't help yourself, don't expect me to help you. Yeah, definitely. Or more than that, if you don't want to help yourself. Doesn't affect me that their feelings get hurt because of their past choices. Why do I care? That feels insensitive. Like, if a person's willing to, like, turn away from their shitty ways, I don't know if they should be held, like, held to it for the rest of their life. I mean, maybe on a personal level, if you know things that they've personally done to you, or maybe to people really close to you, it makes more sense. But these are just passerbys, you know? They're just trying to chill and live their life. And they're with you, and they've been with you for as long as they've been clean, right? They hate drug addiction. I think it makes more sense to hate drug addiction than to hate drug addicts. Like, this is the same kind of logic that people end up using to, like, construct racist arguments. Like, group of people displays thing or has done thing, therefore entire group of people bad. But if they turn away, then they aren't an addict. But if they still see themselves as addicts, that's on me. I mean, fair. In terms of what you're literally saying compared to, like, them not reading it right, I guess that's not necessarily on you, but it's more of an ought than needs to. You know? Softening language to make it more palatable or understandable, because not everyone communicates the same way. Like, I'm able to read through your message, for instance. the idea. But not everyone takes everybody at the same, like, faith, you know? Photo dude. Say block me Twitch or cut me out of life, not talking to me again, that's not me. Well, I mean, but you could also land in kind of a gray area, right? Where they don't, or an in-between area, which is much more likely, where they don't bring it up, but they don't cut you out or block you, but they just keep that in their brain. Again, no, I see where you're at. I see what you're saying. This is a stupid argument of coming from me. This is a stupid argument of, like, ways to improve what you're saying to make it more generally understandable and palatable. But that's just, like, nitpicky bullshit. That's rhetoric. Why wasn't it able to pull up a formatted seconds? Did it get mad at me for sending this with Unix? Ain't no way. I used it earlier, it's fine. I don't like the idea of changing how or what I say because someone is upset by it. It's not the words. Be upset, it's not the end of the world. I'm less caring about and thinking about them, and more so thinking about you, and your idea conveying better. And more thoroughly. I'm with you. Fuck their fifis. But sometimes there's like a side effect of niceness that comes out of just being more accurate in what you're saying, almost. If I had a trash can, I'd throw this bottle into it. We can try it, I guess. What happens? Oh no, I never removed it, and now it's handling. Okay, cool. Nice, well done. Alright, how's the reminder though? No, not that. S. It feels like a Walmart t-shirt. Slap that on a Walmart graphic tee. It should have reminded me by now. What's the deal? Oh, wrong file. There it goes. Alright, do it. Do it. Fucking do it. Fucking do it. Fucking do it. It's not, it's being rude. What the fuck? You have no required lines of text. What's the hold up? What's the fucking deal? Am I insane? Kinda. It is triggering. When you're dead, you know you're dead. It is only painful or applies when That's on a Walmart t-shirt. It doesn't even get into the loop. Okay. Mine'll say something like Bro, look up the cloud spell ligma or some shit. Why isn't this reachable? Because it's not spelt correctly. Come on. Come on, a spelling error? A fucking spelling error, my guy? Unbelievable. Send it. Fucking send it. Remind me. Fucking Skippy. That's not.
Archcloudy. Female Obama Snow says your Wonder Trade is ready.
No, it doesn't. Don't lie to me.
Brace.
Your arms are too short.
Strawberry Greenie is brace.
Your toes. Light Bump, 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 bump.
A wild Lipard has appeared.
We'll need a few streams if I'm ever gonna go over my family lore. Fire types that spawn, damn it. It feels like Sunday night they spawned like a shit ton, and then after that it was just poof. What are we looking at for spawns, Fire? No, that's not what I said. I said spawns fire. PK fire. I'll fucking look myself. I don't give a fuck. I got the keys. Alright, fuck off. What the fuck's going on in here? Oh, that's rough. That is fucking rough. Only Magby and Heatmore for the entirety of the Midwestern 912. 96 spawns. Whatever double 96 is rolls on typing. And you got 2. That's fucked. Oh wait, no, there was more earlier. No, there was more earlier. Jeremy had a ton that spawned this morning. I don't know if that was morning. The my bot stopped recording like this like 11 hours ago, which would have been like 3 p.m. Five hours. Yeah, that's not morning. You mean your morning? You trying to tell me my morning? You're trying to speak to me in my time zone? My nightlife time zone? Yeah, computer decided it wanted to update while I was at work. Wolf Knight, what do you want from me? I never really reference, if I'm referencing, like, my time, like what would be my morning, I'm usually specifying it. And if I'm not, I feel like the context is already implying it. The context of the conversation. I actually didn't even know you're a night owl. I guess it makes sense when I think about it. I know on a personal level, but when we're referencing something that is staple to the 24-hour, like normal 24 hours, like spawns, my brain immediately goes to normie time.